Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to move Lucy as well as how to use Lucy. Lucy's been there since the initial creation of Lightworks and she does have a purpose. Originally I was pretty annoyed because she was blocking the timeline right there, but she does have a use. So if you right click you can move her to a different location, but she'll spring back to where she was. In order to move her you have to open up the preference panel, put this button wherever you want Lucy to be. So let's say bottom, like top right corner. Now right click on Lucy, and as soon as you place it right above the button, as soon as you let go, you want to left click the mouse in order to set the default location. So you want to click it as soon as possible. This is what it looked online as far as the easiest or the only way to move Lucy. So let's say we want to put her on over here, then we're going to move the button there, set her right there, and as soon as I let go I'm going to press the left button. And that's how to move Lucy. So let's move her back to the top right corner, which is where I tend to have her. So we'll place it here, right click, let go, and then left click. There it is. Lucy is not just a placeholder. If you right click on her and then click over the windows, she'll one by one eat them, and it's a great way to clean up your workspace. Once you let go, she'll spring back. But if you left click on her, she'll one by one return the windows to their original location, which is a pretty nice feature to have. You know, if you want to get rid of some windows, clean up the workspace, as opposed to going through clicking on all the windows, you have the option to restore them where they were before. I hope you found that useful. I know I just started using Lightworks and I was just questioning what the purpose of Lucy was, and it seems pretty nice, and finally you know how to get her out of the way.